Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF from photos on Samsung phone gallery. Let's get started. Go to your gallery app on your Samsung phone. Then pick the album where your photos are in, and I'm just going to choose this album, this pictures album. Just tap on the album, then we have to click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we gotta click on create. And since we want to make a GIF, so we have to tap on GIF right here. Then choose the photos that you want to make it a GIF, and I'm just going to choose, wait guys, I'm going to choose this photo, this one, and also this one. Alright, after that we can click on GIF option right here, guys. Then we can edit the GIF before we save it. If we want to change the speed, we can click on this button. Then you can choose the speed that you like. You can go right or go left. It's up to you. And I'm going to reduce the speed. Alright, and after that, if we want to put a sticker or text, we can click on this button. But I'm just going to go with this GIF. So after that, if we have finished editing the GIF, we can click on this save button to save the GIF that we have just created. Alright guys, and now the GIF has been saved to our gallery. Then we can check it. Right, and this is the GIF that we have just saved. Okay guys, that's how we can create a GIF from photos on Samsung phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.